In this video, we will show you how to migrate your WordPress website from one hosting service provider to another in a simple and easy way to understand. Before we dive in, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're interested in tutorials like this. Now, let's get started. First, before doing anything else, we need to access our WordPress dashboard and install the plugin WPvivid for our migration. After activating it, all we have to do is simply download the backup of our website, which includes all the databases and files. Just click on Backup Now and wait until it finishes. As you can see, this is the website we would like to migrate. It is currently hosted on Hostinger, so the website is pointing to Hostinger servers. The next step is to change the name servers to those of the new hosting provider. Now, let's go to Hostinger. Click on Change Name Servers and replace the two name servers with the ones provided by the new hosting provider, as I will do here, for example. Then, hit Save. And now, after a couple of hours, our website will be pointing to the new hosting provider servers. Now, let's quickly check our domain propagation. You can use this online tool, whatsmydns.com. Enter your website name, select NS Record, and click on Search. As you can see, our website is now fully propagated with our new server. Additionally, when we visit our website, we find nothing, which means we need to import the backup file we installed at the beginning into the new hosting provider's servers. First, log into the client area dashboard. Now let's get access to our cPanel and install WordPress using the Soft Aculus Apps installer. Choose HTTPS and remove WP from the directory field. Select the last version. Enter your WordPress login details you'd like to use, and finally click Install. Good. Now WordPress is installed in our cPanel. We're almost done. Let's install the plugin we used earlier in our new WordPress installation, just like we did before. Now, click on Upload and drop the backup file you created at the beginning. Then click Upload. As you can see, the upload is finished. For the final step, we just need to restore it. So, click on Restore and wait until all your files are implemented into the WordPress files. And that's it. Our website is now working perfectly fine. So that's all for this quick tutorial. See you next time.